Okay, so I got these fidget package and I'm going to show you some of my stuff. So first I got the marble and meshes. Okay, and then I got this cute little furry mochi. And then I got this puzzle ball, which I really like it. Sorry for the background noise. And then I got this squishy football. And then I got this other cute little cat mochi. I'm going to open it. It's super soft and really cool. And then I got this little infinity cube, or they call it a crazy cube. It's hard to open with one hand. It's like a mini infinity cube, and it's more kind of like heavy. And then I got these two YP tracks. Let me open them. Okay, these are super. I got the mini ones, and I wanted to see what they look like if I added them together. So I got this red and orange and green one, and this blue and green one. Well, this is how long it is. Gosh, I can't fit it in there. But and then I got these. If I haven't showed you, I got these like fidget spinners. Wee. I like this one. I like the marbles on it for some reason. It's like super like flexible. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment what I should do next with my fidget toys. Squish. Hold on. Squishy fidget toy. Oh.